Can you say something? Okay, this one. Anna, can you come to the camera? Just speak. Anna, what is the purpose of this?
We are here in Okrika local government simply because we do not like the judgment that we passed on River State. We want Fubara, the governor of River State, we want him back. The only crime, if at all, Naira has committed any crime, is good governance that he has brought to us in River State. For the past 8 years, we have been stagnated. Civil servants knows nothing about promotion, no employment, but when Sim came, he implemented promotions, and it reflected in the salaries of the civil servants. Civil servants are happy. Oh, yes. Civil servants have food to eat. All thanks to the good governor. He has brought basic amenities that we saw like gold to us. Look at the fire service that has been stagnated for years. He has revived it. He has brought it back. Therefore, we want Governor Fubara back as our governor. And we are asking the federal government to please give us back our governor. We can do nothing without Fubara in River State. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We want him.